Hi everyone, I am Aman and welcome to Gadgets 360. Adding a checkbox in a spreadsheet comes in handy whenever you want to make a list. In ideal situations, you can create checkboxes to tick the raw materials that you'd want to get for your company, or to mark the important stuff that you don't want to forget to carry for that next trip, or maybe for something as simple as keeping a track on your tasks. The question is, how do you add a checkbox in a spreadsheet? In this video, I'm going to show how to do this in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Before we begin, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and do hit that bell icon so that you're notified whenever a brand new video drops. With that said, let's get started. Before you can add checkboxes to your Excel sheet, you'll need to enable the Developer tab in the ribbon. To do that, right-click on Home and click Customize the ribbon. Next, you have to tick the box right next to Developer, then hit OK, and that's it. Now that we have the Developer tab accessible, click on it. Next, hit Insert and click the third option under Form Controls, which is Checkbox. You'll notice that the cursor will now change into something that looks like a plus symbol. Now simply click wherever you want to place the checkbox, and of course you can resize it as well. You can also rename the checkbox if you want to, or you can leave it blank. Besides inserting a checkbox, you can also change its appearance and set its value. Here's how. Hover over the checkbox and right-click on it. Now select Format Control to go ahead. A pop-up will appear that will allow you to adjust your checkbox's appearance. You can do that from under the Colors and Lines section. Apart from this, if you go to Control, you can also set a value for a checkbox. Unchecked will show a blank box by default, while selecting checked will show a ticked box by default whenever you or someone else opens the spreadsheet. Lastly, Cell Link lets you link a checkbox with a particular cell. For example, if I want to link this new checkbox with cell C12, I'll simply enter $C$12 in Cell Link and hit OK. Now as soon as I tick the checkbox, the completed task is denoted by a true. Similarly, if I uncheck the box, the task is yet to be finished and hence it shows false. To add checkboxes in Google Sheets, select the cells first. You can select individual or multiple cells, that depends on your preference. Once done, hit Insert and click Checkbox. Unlike Microsoft Excel, there's no option here to change the appearance of the checkbox. However, you can change its custom value by selecting the cells where you have placed the checkboxes. Then you hit Data and select Data Validation. A pop-up is going to appear. Tick Use Custom Cell Values to edit the cell values. Once done, hit Save. This is how the end result looks like. And this is how easy it is to add checkboxes in a spreadsheet on Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Hit the thumbs up if you learned something new, and do share this video with others. As always, thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.